Is grocery shopping online such a big thing? Is going online for grocery shopping the next big thing? You bet your bottom dollar it is. Not only is it the next big thing, it's a booming success. It's a booming business. Companies like Amazon and Walmart are killing it with online grocery shopping. But there's another company out there also that's going to be giving the competition. You want to find out who it is? You got to stick around. All of that coming back. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. How you guys doing out there? So that's right, like you heard from the intro, Amazon and Walmart are killing the market as far as to when it comes to online grocery shopping. It's the next big thing. But there's another company out there that's going to be actually doing the same thing, and they are been doing the same thing since last year coming in, and they are also cornering the market just the same way as these two big boys are. And that company's name is Kroger. That's right, guys, Kroger. Now, Kroger is not a small company at all. Kroger is a big grocery supermarket store, and they have chains like Ralph, Fry's, and I believe Harry's is another one that they have out there. They're a big chain supermarket. Big chain supermarket. It's not no small fries here, all right? And they are actually reported on Thursday on the analyst reports. They crush. When I say they crushed the analyst report. They crushed it so much that their stocks rose nearly 10%. That's right, guys. They crushed it so much that their stocks nearly rose to almost 10%. Now, Kroger's ticker symbol is KG. All right, so if you guys are interested, their stock is trading somewhere around like $29 right now. All right, so that's something that you can put on your watch list and just take a look and watch at it. And what is it that Kroger is doing to crush the market right now? I mean, you have Amazon and Walmart that they believe, they're the two biggest giant, and people thought that, the two biggest giant when it comes to online grocery would have been Amazon and Walmart. But now you have Kroger's coming into that list. So what is it that Kroger is doing? It was doing so right that they're actually coming in and they actually crushed it so much. Well, Kroger reported on their analyst report that their system of online system coming in for grocery shopping, 66%, they rose to 66% of a growth as far as to online shopping from last year into this year. It's a big thing, and you can see why, because today's society, with Americans being so busy, they hardly got time to do almost anything. I mean, they don't even have time to even sleep, honestly. And thinking about food shopping should be something that you would like to do, but unfortunately for a lot of American people is a task, and they just can't deal with it along with everything else that they are dealing with. So basically sitting down behind a desk and actually doing your food shopping online, and actually either have it delivered to your house, or if not, you go to the store and just pick it up at curbside assistance. It sounds like a great, fantastic thing to do. Now, that is basically what these platforms are doing. Amazon is delivering, Walmart is delivering, and so is Kroger. Kroger is also delivering. But this is what it comes down to, because remember, on this business here, they're all trying to get your business. They're all trying to see how much they can get you to actually come online and stay online and do that stuff. Well, Kroger figured this out. They figure a way of actually keeping people online long enough on their platform so this way they can shop more. Kroger launched a program last year called Restock Kroger. And basically what this program did was that it took private companies and stuff like that and brought the prices down to a good low price where people saw it was a good deal to actually buy. So that was a good thing. They actually killed it online from last year coming into this year with a growth of 66%. That is huge. That is a big, big, big number for them. All right. So Kroger also increased their organic offering that they do throughout the system and all that stuff by $2 billion in 2017. So they actually improved that. Now, we know that a lot of American people are now eating a lot more healthier. They're a lot more health conscious, and having organic things is one of the things that people look for. So having this implemented into Kroger was a great idea for them as well. So companies like Amazon and Walmart that are out there doing this, now comes Kroger actually delivering this the same way. So this is fantastic. Now, Kroger also is cornering the market just the same way as Amazon and Walmart is as far as the pre-packed meals. So the pre-packed meals that you will normally get from, let's say, a company like Blue Apron, they actually are doing the same thing. So that means bad business for Blue Apron, because now Blue Apron has to deal now not only with Amazon and not only with Walmart, but now they have to go ahead now and deal with Kroger's as well. So this is not good news for Blue Apron. And we see that Blue Apron last week also put out their report out, and they could not beat the analysts. They did badly, really bad. So unfortunately, that's something that Blue Apron needs to go back into the lab and actually restructure. Now, I like to see things like this for the simple reason that this gives competition. And this is the type of competition that I like, because now if Amazon is selling something for $10 and Walmart's going to sell it for $9, now you got Kroger's who might just come in and might be selling it to you for $8.50. And of course, we all want deals and we all like the deals. So which one you think you're going to go for? The 10, the 9, or the 8.50, right? It is what it is. So this is great opportunity now for these other two big giants to get off their high horse. And when I say their high horse, they need to get off their high horse and reevaluate how is it that they're going to come back to the consumer, which is you guys out there, and give you guys the best deal that you can possibly get. What is it that they're going to do to keep you on their platform, so this way you come back to them and don't go to the other guys, all right? And this is what they need to reevaluate to see how they're going to do that. So Kroger has found a way of actually doing this, and they are actually crushing it right now, guys. When I say crushing it, they are crushing it. Blue Apron, on the other hand, has to find a strategy to actually compete now, because I mean, Blue Apron actually partner up with Costco as far as to putting up their meals up in Costco and stuff like that. But then it winds up being that, 30%, it would be 30% less in Costco than actually having a membership with Blue Apron. Now, what do you think that means for Blue Apron? Members of Blue Apron are gotta be pissed off, because imagine if I'm a member of Blue Apron and you selling stuff at Costco for 30% less and not giving me those deals, you think I'm gonna stick around? So Blue Apron reported that they didn't get much of a growth, which they really didn't, and they actually also show a decline as far as to members. A lot of people left. Of course, people are gonna leave if you're doing things like this. Remember, consumer comes first, and if you can't satisfy the consumer's going to find somewhere else to find where he's going to get satisfied at. That's just the way it is. So now with Blue Apron's consumers leaving, some of them maybe went to Amazon, maybe others went to Walmart, and maybe some even went to Kroger's, who knows? But the idea that now Blue Apron has to think about how is it that they're going to do business and how is it that they're going to get these people back, it's gotten much tougher for them. And when I say much tougher, which means for us, more deals. And that's what we like. We like to see that. We like to see deals. We like to see where we can get what we can get for the less, for the best quality. And that's what we're talking about. All right, guys. So if you guys have any questions or any comments or anything that you might find interesting that you would like for us to talk about, please leave it in the comment section below. And as always, more gains, giving it your maximum effort. Peace out.